So let's start with the first one. Laplace of e raised to at. So this was our first question. So let's try to solve it. First we will write the definition. So what is the definition? Laplace of f of t is equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st dot f of t dt. Okay, so let's put it the value e raised to at. Here a function of t is nothing but e raised to at. Laplace of e raised to at is equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st dot f of t means e raised to at into dt. Okay, now if you see this statement carefully, you will get to know the base is same. So what we will do is, to simplify it, we will take common base. Now if we are taking a common base, we should apply some formula, right? So we will use the indexing formula. So I am taking out the minus sign, this make it okay, minus s plus a. T is common with both, so I am taking out the common dt. Clear? Integration 0 to infinity. I am taking out minus sign from both the sides, so e minus, so what is it here? S minus a t dt. So it is simple, our integration e raised to ax dx. So e raised to, what is the integration of e raised to ax? E raised to ax upon a. So we will apply the same here. E raised to minus s minus a t upon minus s minus a. The limit tends to 0 to infinity. Now we will put the limit inside. So we get e raised to minus infinity upon minus s minus a, minus sign e raised to 0 upon s minus a. Here minus sign is remaining. So if you remember the two main formula, e raised to minus infinity is 0, e raised to 0 is 1. So by the same we will apply here. So e raised to minus infinity is 0, so whole term becomes 0, minus e raised to 0 is 1, become 1. So minus s minus a, minus minus become positive, so 1 upon s minus a. So what we derive is Laplace of e raised to at is equal to 1 upon s minus a. This is our first formula that we derive from the definition. Now let's try to solve another one. Second question. Laplace of sin at is what? Similarly, by definition, Laplace of f of t is equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st dot f of t dot dt. Okay, let's put the value. Laplace of sin at is equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st dot sin at dot dt. Now if you remember a formula that we have learned at our 12th standard of integration, so integration of e raised to ax into sin bx dx is equal to e raised to ax upon a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. So we will use this formula in this. So Laplace of sin 80 is equal to e raised to minus st. So just listen carefully. A is equal to minus s and b is equal to a. We compare this equation with this. Minus st upon a square plus b square a square bracket a means minus s sin bx मतलब ax minus b means a cos bx cos ax. Is it clear? Now its integration tends to 0 to infinity. We'll solve it down. Laplace of sin 80 is equal to, we will put the infinity in the terms of t, e raised to minus infinity upon s square plus a square minus s, sorry, it's, please check it down, it will be t because this formula will be connected as sine of infinity minus a cos of infinity minus e raised to 0 a square plus a square bracket s sine of 0 minus a cos of 0. At last, Laplace of sin 80. Now if you look carefully, e raised to minus infinity, the value comes out to be 0. E raised to 0, the value comes out to be 1. So e raised to minus infinity is 0. So if this term becomes 0, the whole term becomes 0. So 0 minus e raised to 0 means 1 upon s square plus a square minus s. Now what is the value of sin 0? Sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So sin 0 becomes 0 minus a cos 0 is 1. So it's 1. Now listen carefully what will happen to you. So this term becomes 0. So just ignore it. Minus and minus sign became plus positive sign. So a multiplied by 1. So it became a upon, here nothing. So what is in bracket? A square plus a square. Here we have got this solution. Laplace of sin 80 is equal to Laplace of cos 80. This you have to try it at your home. I am just providing the formula of integration, which is e raised to ax cos bx dx is nothing but e raised to ax upon s a square plus b square bracket a cos bx plus b sin bx. So by using this formula we have to solve this. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like my video just press the like button, and if you have any doubts and suggestion let me know at the comment box. Thank you. For getting updates of my channel, subscribe to my channel SP Preparation.